Your AI doesn't read your question. It has Sharingan. In Naruto, Kakashi is called the Copy Ninja because he has copied over 1,000 jutsu. He does not invent techniques. He watches once and reproduces them exactly. His Sharingan sees the hand seals, the chakra flow, and the next move, all at the same time. That is literally how ChatGPT looks at your question. When Kakashi fought Zabuza in episode 11, Zabuza performed 44 hand seals for his water dragon jutsu, the most hand seals ever drawn for a single technique. Kakashi mirrored every single one at the same time and fired the same jutsu right back. That is parallel attention. Here is what the AI actually does. You type a question. It does not read it from left to right the way you do. It scans every word in your prompt at the same time. For each new word it is about to generate, it scores every previous word with one simple question. How much does this one matter for what I am about to say next? That scoring is attention. Then it generates the next word by copying a statistical pattern it saw millions of times during training. It is not reasoning, it is not understanding, it is not thinking. It is picking the most likely next word based on patterns it has seen before, exactly like Kakashi reproducing a jutsu he once saw. Sharingan has a price. Kakashi collapses after the Zabuza fight. Itachi Uchiha uses his Mangekyou so often that by the time he faces Sasuke, he is nearly blind. Attention has the exact same price. The longer your prompt, the more pairs of words the model has to score. Double the input, quadruple the cost. That is why a 1 million token context window is a $1 trillion problem. It is not a feature, it is Itachi burning his eyes out. Here is the part most people miss. Every ChatGPT reply is Kakashi copying Zabuza. Instant, flawless, and it has no idea what water actually is. Attention is not intelligence. It is pattern recognition so fast it looks like intelligence. Kishimoto wrote that distinction into Naruto 20 years before anyone built a transformer. That is the first episode of AI x Anime Deep Dives. Next week, why RAG is the Chimera Ant arc and why it is terrifying for search startups, where AI meets the anime generation. Subscribe.